Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial to learn step by step that how you will enhance the battery life of any Amazfit, either it's a Bip Lite or BPU. Of course, how do you change custom, especially watch face simultaneously, how you will enhance the battery life as well as reduce the battery life. So for it guys, see, I will try to firstly download or install ZE double P Life. So this application is especially previous one named Amifit. So try to install. If you are using iPhones, then of course go in a App Store. If you are using Android or a Smart, you have to go in a Google Play Store, and of course from there download it, install. After installing, see right now we have a Amazfit Bip Lite. So this one I would like to have the especially enhance the battery life of this smartwatch, as well as I would like to modify also especially custom watch face. So how would I? So see here, I will go in a zip, and here you have to firstly connect these ones. So it's already connected. If it is not connected, then I would like to click on a home, and you have to go in a plus. In plus, of course, you have to go in a smart and agree to, of course, you have to without go for this one, and you have to select this one here, and then of course you will be able to successfully activate. And after successfully activation, it's already connected, so it will take a more time. So that's why I would like to have a save time here. So here I will click on a profile to, I will go this one. So this one, now see here, watch face setting. Now we have a here. So I would like to modify in a custom way. So see, I would like to show you right now situation of this watch face is like that, and I would like to modify to enhance or accelerate especially battery life. Might be reduce also battery life here, but see, now I will select this one. I will try to a sensing because it's a good one, watch face. So now it's sensing. I will have to wait here. Now see, it has started to sense. So let it complete properly, 100%. So finally I have completed right now. So successfully. Now let's see the situation of this device. Now see like that. Seemed away. So of course this is especially right now custom. If we go manual, set up this ones, and then of course it will reduce and enhance the battery life here, guys. In manual, of course, we don't have a custom, so it won't be always connected with this Bluetooth. It's a custom, but manual, that will accelerate battery life, guys. It will enhance, and the custom it will reduce. Because why I'm telling you, because in the manual we have a limited custom, and limited options to see all the things, all the details of feature this device. So if I say, sorry, let me have now see in face. See, we have a, sorry, cancel, 1 2, I think I have counted especially we have a 9 option, only one. So if, yes, this is the last one, this is the last one. So 9 feature, 9 especially we have options to change watch face. So if we go manual, so definitely it will especially, I mean right now see, guys, this one will accelerate. Now I have selected this one, so it will save your battery life of your smartwatch, and of course accelerate 2-3 days more. Now if we go custom, then of course it will reduce. Why I'm telling you, because here see it's clearly custom watch face reduce the battery life here. But however, of course the design is a quite a good one, so that's why I have selected this ones. So out of especially this anyone's you can select. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, blindly you can address the query below. Comment box, I will reply as soon as possible according to your query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.